this type of pie any old time, but a lot of times they do it during the holidays. I went and bought these pie crusts from Walmart. They're ready pie crusts. They come in a rolled form, so you unroll them, put them in your pie pan, or your pie dish, pie plate, and that's what I did. I defrosted it and I put it in here. Real easy, easy, easy. This particular pie, you do not bake the shell first, so that's supposed to be real easy and simple. Alright, so you need to, for the custard or the filling, you need to put 2 eggs slightly beaten in a bowl. You will need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir that a little bit. Alright. You're going to put the butter. You're going to need a cup of buttermilk. Try to use the full fat version of the buttermilk. I've noticed the difference. Fat version versus non-fat. So if you can find full fat or whole milk buttermilk, you need to do that. So we need 1 cup of that. Stir that up a little bit. I mean, usually you can just use a fork or a spoon and just kind of combine it. You don't have to use a mixer or anything like that. You can probably use a whisk. That may help too, to kind of get the lumps out. Let me switch to that. That may help me a little bit better. Okay. Let's kind of get this combined before we do the next thing. Alright. Now, I've got all those lumps out. It's just not wanting to go. Okay. Now, I'm going to put in a half a stick of butter melted. Mix that. Now, the next thing that you need to add is your extracts. Now this recipe I've made several times, and I don't always put both extracts that it calls for. It calls for vanilla extract, and it calls for lemon, but if you wanted to, you could just double your amount of vanilla, because I know everybody pretty much has vanilla flavoring or vanilla extract in their kitchen. So, but today I'm just going to go by the recipe. So I need a teaspoon of vanilla, and a teaspoon of lemon. Mix that up. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to cook this for 10 minutes on 450, and then 30 minutes on 350. And you will have to pay attention to it, make sure that it doesn't brown too easily. Sugar, does burn. So you have to, sorry about that. So you'll have to watch out for that. And you also have to watch for the edges of your pie crust. So let's get this in here. Pour this into our pie pan. And like always, you need to place this on a cookie sheet. Just in case you have issues of boil over, which you probably won't, but it's just a precaution. Alright, I'll see you back here when I'm all done. Okay, so the buttermilk pie is out of the oven after it's sit for at least it's sit and rested for about 20 minutes. So you want to let it rest before you cut into it. And it's all ready to go. Perfect for the holidays. See y'all next time.